Every single time one of these AI rare bird videos gets posted, it stops people mid-scroll. And the reason is simple. Nobody has ever seen anything like them before. This niche is still almost completely unsaturated, which means the window to go viral here is wide open right now. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. Without wasting any extra time, let us get straight into the process. But before we start, 83% of our viewers have not subscribed yet. If you want to keep getting free tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button right now, okay? Let us go. Head over to the description below and open the detailed master prompt file I have prepared for you. Copy the full prompt from start to finish without missing a single word. Now open ChatGPT, paste the full prompt directly into the field and hit enter. It will instantly provide you a list of fictional rare bird names to choose from, and some of these names alone are enough to make someone stop and click. Pick the one that feels the most visually striking and unique to you. Copy it, paste it back into the field, and hit enter. ChatGPT will now generate a detailed storyboard prompt and a video prompt specifically built around your chosen bird. Both are sitting right in front of you, ready to use. Start by copying the full storyboard prompt. Open Google Flow and select the image option along with your other desired settings. Now here's an important detail. Make sure you select Nano Banana Pro as your image model for this step. Specifically, it handles the kind of detailed exotic visuals that these bird videos need far better than the standard settings. Paste the storyboard prompt in and click generate. In just a few seconds, your storyboard image will be completely ready right here in your workspace. Click on the image, hit the 3 dots, and select animate. Inside the video settings, choose the ingredients option first, and then select Omni Flash as your video model. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the full video prompt, and paste it right here. Hit generate. And within just a few seconds, your complete AI rare bird video will be finished and ready to go viral on social media. And that's the full process. Make sure to subscribe and like if this tutorial helped you, and I will see you in the next one.